Good morning, everyone. This is Jesus Ordana with the weekly analysis. So, first we have the US dollar index. We can see that it broke the downtrend channel on early September and it has been going up since then. Now, I think there is a correction going to form in the next few days because after Friday's NFP report we can see that the prices tried to go up, but when it touched this August peak, it just went down. I think the market needs some correction, needs to breathe a little, and then it will go up again. All right, now second we have the euro yen. We can see that it has been going up on a bullish support line, but the technical indicators are giving me signals that it doesn't have enough force to keep on with the track. So I think that it has enough strength to break the support line. Now, because I am an conservative trader, I think that the price will go down, but my sell signal or my sell entry will be in 130.5. I think entering right now under a sell signal is very risky, so I fully support to enter at least one third, at least 200 pips from the break zone of the support line. Now in Brent, we can see that the prices tended to go on a trend line about 60 degrees. We can see over here that it is almost 60 degrees. Now that is very difficult to keep up with. So at a moment the market avoided the buy zone and they started to enter in the sell, and that's why it broke the support line. It used the line as a resistance, and then it started to go down again. Now because of this massive red candle, I think that the market would, at least today, need some correction, and then probably tomorrow will start to go down again. Under a weekly chart of the Brent, we can see here that it still has enough strength to go down. I think they can go to 53 or even 52. 2 weeks ago we can see that it formed this inverted hammer, and that isn't giving us enough information so that the market will still go up, will still keep up with the rally. On the stocks, we have Apple. You probably heard the phrase buy the dip. Apple isn't the exception of that. We can see that multiple times, every time it touches the 150 moving average, it bounces right up. We can see it over here, we can see it over here, and now we can see it over here. I think it has enough strength to still go up, although there are chances that it can make a head and shoulder pattern. So try to tighten up the stop loss price. If this isn't a head and shoulder, it will still go up, and it will go to 160 and even 165. Enter on the Ford, we can see that it broke on early September a resistance downtrend line since 2015. This is a pretty buy signal, pretty bullish signal. On the short-term view, I think it will make some corrections and go back down to 12, probably 11.75. But on the long-term view, I think it will go to 30 or even 30.5. Now we have Costco. On Friday, they released their financial report. It didn't go well, and that's why we can see this enormous gap. And as far as today, we can see that the prices have still going down. Although on the long-term view, we can see that the prices are forming a bullish channel, and it is very near to the support line of that channel. I am another one who's going to buy the dip on this stock. I think it still has enough strength to go up, and even if Amazon buys it, I think that the stocks will raise at least 5 or 10% from what they are right now. On Intel, we can see that on the weekly chart, I gave this signal last week. It was forming a triangle on a weekly chart, and we can see that the momentum and the RSI were forming consolidation, and last week it broke it. So those traders who opened a buy operation over here, I suggest you to keep it open. I think it still has enough strength to go to the 40, 41, and even the 45 area. So that's all for this week. I will keep you updated on the next week.